And we've arrived. What an awful bush journey. And this is the beginning of the trek to Humantay Lake. The incline's just started. It's 10 past 10 in the morning. And breathing is becoming challenging. Some people have got the right idea on this hike. Man, this is tough. That view keeps me going, it's incredible. Just to give you an idea of how difficult it is and the pace we're going at, this is the pace. Let's look at this. I was trying not to fall over and failing.
Take care, take care.
I guess those people are stood just over there. This is the finish point. So we've had a quick photo stop, got our breath back, and it's just a short walk now, not too much more incline, it's more or less flat I think. There's Mark, he's my photographer. Obviously there's a shop, of course there is. And this is it, the moment of truth. What we've all been waiting for. Check this out. Just having some beef jerky, enjoying the view.
There's a guy that looked like him.
You've just got to pretend there's not 500 other people here.
That was in trouble.
So we've got all the obligatory photos from down there.
Yeah.
Had a rest, some snacks. Now we're heading up to this extra little bit up here. Not everybody wanted to do it, but me and Mark are going up. See if it's worth it. And we made it. Not a bad view. And that's it, we're done. On our way back down. Surely it's got to be easier than on the way up. Time is now, it's gone 10 past 12. It's not taking that long at all really. I spent about an hour at the lake taking photos, videos, relaxing, eating beef jerky. Incredible, absolutely amazing. I reckon we should be down in about half an hour. See you back at the van. And we're done. Back at the van, Humantay Lake. Oh my god, amazing. Probably the single best thing I've ever seen, the best scenery, the best landscape. Absolutely unbelievable. But what's coming next is probably going to be even better. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Next video will be in a few days. See ya!